Tesla Cyberquad, which is made for kids. So ideally, it's going to be for you guys.
Yay!
We still got to assemble it. So what we're going to do in this video is we are just going to do a unboxing of the Cyberquad. This is actually the first time we're all seeing it. It actually just got delivered. So let's see if we can unbox it and put it together. Pull. All right, so here we are. Unbox the top of it, and we can see that we have, what do we have here? Tires.
Wheels.
We got 2 tires, 2 wheels. On top here looks like we have handlebars. Oh, dang, look at that,
Whoa, that's cool.
dude. That looks sweet. All right, so you will need a couple tools. Let's grab these tools right there. And these are all the parts that come in this bag here. All right, so we got the front. All right, ooh, look at that.
Oh, that's cool.
That's sick.
Oh, it reminds me of like a snowmobile. I'm trying to. There we go. Should go like that. I think it's good.
Okay.
I think I'm good here. Can you just maybe check it?
All right, next thing we're gonna do now, the back wheels are on. They actually came already on here. This is still loose, so we need to tighten this up. The next thing we do is we put these little screws in the back on the inside. All right, so to find the hole, you actually have to pull this wheel out. When it comes from the factory, this thing is all the way in. Pull the wheel out, and then you will see that there is a hole on this rod right here. I couldn't see it initially because the wheel was covering it. So you have to pull the wheel out, and then you can see where it lines up right about there. Put the washer on first, then the bolt. And this one, grab the pliers. And you're gonna grab the pliers and then lift it up. Now it says we have to turn the quad on its side. We're gonna turn it this way. Hold on.
Make sure. Oh, I'm gonna make sure there's nothing there.
Good. So we are going to get rid of this piece now, and we are going to be inserting this piece instead. For the bottom one, because it's a little bit longer, as you can see, it doesn't fit perfectly. You just have to pull this back, and then it'll fit in here. So you have to separate the actual quad so that it'll fit. All right, so next we have put it right side up. So we can flip the bike back over now. Hold the handlebars, actually. Hold the handlebars so they don't rip out. Just lift it up. I'm going to flip the bike back over.
Right.
All right, so when you put in the handlebars on, these wires right here, make sure those 2 wires are pushed all the way down, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, push that down. This one wire will sit here on the outside. Hand tighten first, and then you come back in with the Allen. You're okay, you're okay.
Okay.
All right, final set. What does the instructions say? Just like that?
Yep, just like this, and then you need to add screws to it.
What's next, Alex?
Next, well, after we
After the
insert
nose.
that.
Push it. Okay, you hear that click? Hold on, I don't know if it's on or not. That's weird.
Oh,
there you go. Hold on. Whoa.
Oh, okay.
So you press and hold it. Oh, it's moving.
That
Right.
is moving.
There it is. All right, so it moves. All right, so it moves. Oh, yeah. All right, so let's just drive around the back real quick. Hold on. This is move Eddie.
Oh, shoot. Oh.
All right, guys, so that was the unboxing and setup. Just kind of took it around here to see if it worked, and it worked. Next thing we're gonna do is take it on the street, put our helmets on, and go on the slowest speed first, of course, and then bump it up and see how it feels.